Hello, crafty friends. Happy New Year. I'm so happy to be back. I took a break to spend time with my family for the holidays, and now that everything's settled, my house is back in order. We did a deep clean, not really deep clean. We've only lived in our home for like 6 months, but like we finally unpacked everything, threw out things we didn't want. My house is arranged exactly how I want it. Now all we need to do is decorate our bare walls and get more furniture, I think, because the house is the same size as my house in Washington, but the layout is different. So we have a really big loft upstairs, and so we're turning it into like a family game area room, like a game room. And so we need to find some furniture and stuff for upstairs. But other than that, yeah, I'm pretty happy. I rearranged my craft room. It's somewhat, I mean, I think this is the best it's going to get. So, I'm just going to leave it alone. But I want to start off the new year with a video. I wanted to do a project video, but none of my projects are done. So, boo, I'm not happy with that. And so I guess I'm going to start with a haul video. I didn't want to do haul videos. I was trying to stay away from haul videos because it's like everybody does haul videos. I mean, I scroll through my feed and it's all, look what I bought at Tuesday morning. Look what I got at Dollar Tree, blah, blah, blah. So I just kind of want to stick with project shares and tutorials because those are the videos I like to watch. And that's what I'll invest my time in versus watching like a haul video. But I know people like to see what other people bought, gives you ideas, or you can run to your local Dollar Tree, your Tuesday morning, Michael's, etc. Just find, something that someone found. It just is kind of disappointing when you go to your local store and you don't have what the other person has and you really want it. Then it's kind of frustrating. Maybe that's why I stopped watching haul videos, but anyway, let me just get to it because I have a lot to cover because this is going to be a collective haul video since I have been shopping. And like I said, I wasn't intending on doing a video, so I'm just going to try to cram everything into one video, okay? So first off, I did go to my local Dollar Tree. I started looking for Valentine items because I am into Valentine swaps. And I also plan to send out two, not random, I know who I'm going to send it to, two Valentine Happy Meals. And so the first thing I purchased, I already took it out of the bag, but I think everybody's familiar with these. These are like the bubble wands. And I already cleaned them out and cut off the wand so that I can fill them with, what do you call it, like sequins or glitter. And so these are ready to go, and I bought them in pink. I probably should have bought them in red. I may go back today if we have errands to do. Otherwise, I just kind of want to stay home and finish at least one of my projects. I also found these cute stickers. I'm trying to stay away from stickers because I don't really like stickers. I don't like the flat stickers. I like these dimensional stickers because they're kind of like ephemera. So I bought two of these because, I love my unicorns. Mermaids and unicorns. So I bought two of those. And let's see here. I bought two of these. These are like mason jars. And again, they have some dimension to them. So you can add them to projects, which I like. So I purchased two of those. And then I got another one of these. Actually, I have this. I don't even know why I purchased it. I need the smaller ones, but I guess I could cut. Maybe I could cut it. I'm not sure. Maybe I could cut this white heart out, but then it would miss all the detail. Anyway, I have a bunch of these doilies, but I just bought another doily in white. I purchased these bags. They're like treat sacks. These are the only ones they had. I don't know if people already bought them or they only brought these out, but so there's 3 bags in here. This one has the pink heart and these two have the red heart. So I'm going to use these for, putting my, what do you call it, gifts inside, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. Sorry, it's been a while since I did a video, so I'm a little rusty. Last but not least from the Dollar Tree, I believe, is this cute little Happy Valentine's Day. It's a little, like a bag box, so to speak. No top, but I thought this would be really cute to just, put my goodies in here and maybe put like a cellophane, tie it with a bow, and then I can ship it out. So that was my quick Dollar Tree haul right there. Then last night, I did run to Target and I found a lot of cute things at Target. First off, I bought these two. They're like envelopes paper envelopes, which I thought was really cute because they're already made. It says sending you love. Again, I thought it'd be cute to possibly add a little more decor on it, or like decoration. I don't think it needs it because it's really cute the way it is. And then put your goodies inside. So I bought 2 of those. And then I got these spritz shakers here. And I thought those were really cute. So they're $2 for one. So it's like 25 cents a heart, which is a really good deal. I got that. And then I bought these doilies. And this is like a really pretty pink. It's not like the tradition of the hot pink. I don't even think it's a baby pink. It's like a real muted pink. And I really like that color. So I bought 2 of those. And 2 white. Because this is the size I'm actually looking for. The one I bought at Dollar Tree is good for like bigger projects. But these are like good for like my bag toppers. And so like I said, I really like this pink. I think it goes with the shabby theme that I'm trying to work with. So I bought these. So 4 of those. Then I got some trim. I always get trim there. And this is, like I said, a different kind of pink. I've never seen this pink there before. I really like that. Then I got some iridescent sequins. And then some white pom-pom trim. So I got that. When I went to Target last night, they were actually bringing out all the Valentine items. So I kind of had to go back and then go to another department and then go back. Again, this is some felt. Yeah, it's felt hearts. Again, with that nice light pink. So that's another trim. Then I thought these are really cute because these are like pre-made cards. It's a card kit. So I bought 2 of each. So this is the designs here. And all you need to do is embellish them. And then that's a perfect, you know, like an item to give for Happy Meal. So I think I'm going to embellish these and give a set to my swap partners. So I got that. And then last but not least from Target are these here. They always come out with these. I'm into this light pink. So I got 2 light pink heart sequins. I got a set of buttons, which I think I already have. And I got these XOXO and heart beads, which I'm going to use for my embellishments. Excuse me. So let me put this back really quick. That is my Target haul. I also went to Hobby Lobby on Tuesday morning. This is all not at the same time. Oh, and Walmart as well. But for Hobby Lobby, I hope you can hear me. Sorry, I had to step away. I bought some flowers. And let's see here. I'm mixing up. I bought some flowers because they had their Paper Studio 50% off. And so I purchased this set here. And then I purchased a white set. And these really pretty pastels, which are, I think, I might say for Easter. And then these neutral colored. And so that's from Hobby Lobby, along with my daughter picked these out. She liked these coffee. And again, they're stickers, but they're dimensional, so I don't mind dimensional stickers. And so they're the same, they're just coffee themed. And then I got this pink passport. It's a paper crafting kit. I never bought one of their kits before. I have this paper pad, but I just thought because it has stickers and everything else along with it, it would be nice. Because I'm trying to stay with sets this year. It's just easier to craft when you have everything like kind of coordinating, where you don't have to go through the stash, you know, your stash for me, because I have so much things. And I think I found out the problem why I have a hard time crafting is because I have too much, which could be a good thing and a bad thing. Like I have too many dies, and so when it comes to a project, it takes me longer to find what I want to use versus doing the project. It's just, I wish I only had like maybe 20 dies to work with, and maybe, you know, 5 paper pads or something, or 1 paper pad for each holiday. I could probably get my projects done faster because there's not really much to choose from, and, you know, it makes you think and just get creative with what you have, but because I have so much to choose from, it just kind of overwhelms me, and then I think that's what like stops me, or I hesitate because my mind just goes crazy. Like I don't know what to do, what to use, what to match things with, because it's just like a whole big cluster of like crafts. But anyway, so moving on. This is Hello Lovely. This is really pretty. I wish I had this in a 12 by 12, but they didn't have it. I don't know if it comes in a 12 by 12, but I haven't shot for crafts in a while, so I'm not sure. So this is the Hello Lovely. Again, I really like this set, and I'm going to work with this soon. Next, I went to Target by my job, and I purchased a few things from there. I think I purchased more, but I'm going to start with this here. Actually, let me put this on the side. Okay, so I bought these. I already took it out because I was going to work with it, but these are like cupcake liners, and they're metallic. I was going to use these for rosettes, and so I really like this design. I think they had this last year. I might even have it in my stash, but I purchased that. I purchased some of these already made gold and silver little mini clips that I'm going to embellish, or I might not embellish. I might just use it, you know, for my bag topper. I purchased these straws. I'm not personally a collector of wands, but I do make them for other people because I know people like to collect wands. So I got these cute little straws. And then this is some trim and ribbon that I purchased from Wal Mart. I think it was 98 cents. Pink and reds. Super cute. I got this treat bag, which I'm going to try to use for my goodies. I like that. Simple and cute. Then I purchased one more with hearts. 15 bags. I think this is like $1.98. And then I got these stickers, which I thought would be nice for embellishments because, again, they're dimensional and they have some foil in them. And so I bought 3 because it's hard to find sentiments. You know, these, to me, on like rosettes, give the added touch. Especially, these have color. And so I purchased 3 of those. Those will probably go quickly. And I think not really. And then I purchased this. This is from Walmart. It's a tablecloth, but I had watched somebody's video where they use this and they die cut it, and then, you know, even though it's thin, you can still die cut it. And so I thought I would try. And it's a nice metallic red. So I'm going to go ahead and try that. I think after this Walmart haul, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to continue with my Tuesday morning because it's getting to be a little too long. And these are also from Target. And these are just like the heart. They're like just, you know, what do you call these? Like heart sticks. Like you just put them into the, to your goodie bag or to your loaded bag. And so I purchased these. Oops, I purchased a bunch of them. And then, again, another one of these because I figure I'm going to use this a lot. And then I got some tissue paper to wrap my my swap in. And so like these are really cute because they're like, you know, you can clip them onto the bag. So I went with 2 pinks, 1 red, or actually 2 reds, 2 different styles like that. And then just a bunch of these. I know they sell these at the Dollar Tree, but they don't have white, and I like the white in here. And I like the mini hearts, like the bouquets. And these, the hearts are different. They're like dimension, like puffy, and then it comes out. So there's some style like to it. It's not just a regular, just puffy heart. So these are what I, this is all what I got at Walmart. So let me stop this video, and if you want to see Tuesday morning, just look for the next one. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.